Hello beautiful, Joana here. Welcome to day 3 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing yoga flow for hips opening. We're starting in the hero pose, Virasana. On your knees, feet rest to the side of the bottom, palms facing down, relax the face, shoulders down and back. Chest towards the front of the room. Take your time. Set an intention for today's practice. Breathe deeply. Now on your fours, let's do some hip circles here. Just move. Circles in one direction and then switch the other one. Let's do some hip circles. Starting with the left one, doing some circles and then reversing the way. And the other leg. Take your time, slowly, with control. Keep breathing. Nice. Now move your hips to each side and some cat-cow stretch. And now we're gonna go into the puppy pose. Hips above knees, extend your arms forward and rise up. Tuck your toes, press into downward facing dog. This is our first down dog for today. You can bicycle your legs. Keep pushing hips towards sky or the ceiling. Spread fingers wide apart. And now walk your feet toward your hands, folding forward. And now rise up, hands up, and then in front of the heart center. We are ready to do the Surya Namaskara A, sun salutations. Inhale, lift arms straight up. And exhale, folding forward. Chest towards thighs. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, jump or step back, Chaturanga, up dog. And exhale, down dog. We're going to hold for a few breaths here. Spread fingers wide apart, push heels down toward mat. Legs are straight, hips toward the ceiling. Breathe. With the next inhale, look forward and jump. Halfway, exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale, arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Holding for a few breaths here. Just keep pressing chest back towards the thighs. Inhale, look up and jump halfway. Exhale, folding forward. Chest to the thighs. Inhale, lift arms up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale, arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana, folding forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And now exhale, down dog. Inhale and lift the right leg up for three-legged. Now open the hips, bend the knee, and enjoy the stretch. Step your right foot between your hands and lift into Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Exhale, open into Warrior 2. The back leg is 90 degrees now. Inhale, reverse your Warrior. And exhale, side angle. Look the arm up. Inhale, Warrior 2. Exhale, cartwheel your arms and step back into plank. Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up, three-legged. Open the hip, bend the knee, enjoy the stretch. Stepping into Warrior 1, the back foot is 45 degrees. Look between your hands, hips squared. And exhale, opening into Warrior 2, back foot 90 degrees. Shoulders down, hips should be to the side. Inhale, reverse your Warrior. And exhale, side angle. Look up. Look into your palm. Inhale, Warrior 2. And exhale, cartwheel your arms, step back into plank, Vinyasa, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up, three-legged. And open the hip, bend the knee. And now place your right foot outside your right hand for a lizard pose. Open the chest. Keep the back leg straight. Keep your back straight and hold here. Open your right arm towards the sky. Lizard twist. Look into your palm. And release. Step back into three-legged. And now pigeon stretch. Right knee to the right palm. Keep your back leg straight, keep your hips square, and optional lay down for a deeper stretch. Your right ankle should be somewhere in front of the right hip. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly up, back to down dog. Plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Lift the left leg up, three-legged. Open the hip, bend the knee. Keep breathing. And now place the left foot outside the left palm. Lizard stretch. Keep the back leg straight, keep your back straight. Open into the twist. Left arm up. Gaze your left palm. And slowly back. Three-legged and pigeon pose. Left knee just beside your left palm. Hips squared. Optional, lay down for a deeper stretch. This is my favorite hip opening stretch. Slowly up, press back into down dog. Plank, vinyasa chaturanga, up dog and down dog. Pressing hips towards the ceiling or the sky. Inhale, jump or step, look forward halfway. Exhale, folding forward, Uttanasana. And now open your feet, mat width apart, toes slightly out, and squat down into Malasana. Keep your back straight, grow up, rise up. Press your knees away with your elbows. Right hand down, extend the left arm up and twist. Look into the palm. And switch, left hand down, extend the right arm up. Look into the right palm and enjoy the twist. And now slowly lay down, roll down one vertebra at a time. Our final resting pose is gonna be the reclining bound angle or Supta Baddha Konasana. Bottom of the feet together, heels close to the hips. Push low back into the mat. Close your eyes. Place one hand into the chest, the other one on the belly, and just breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was day 3 of our 30-day yoga and Pilates challenge. I'm gonna see you tomorrow